Hello friends, let us begin with today's topic, that is the number system. It is quite an interesting topic and let us see what are the categories in it, what are the uses of it. So let us begin with the number system, the categories. Number system has four categories: the decimal numbers, binary numbers, octal numbers and hexadecimal numbers. Now you might be wondering, why do we need four categories? Yes, we do need it because, for example, like we have different countries. Now each country has different language. That language helps us to interpret, to understand and to communicate. Similarly, each device has different language to communicate with each other. For example, the binary numbers are used in computers, whereas hexadecimal numbers are used by the microprocessors. This way, each category has different uses. Let us understand what are the uses and how we can use it to the maximum. So, beginning with the decimal numbers. Now, first of all the number systems are based on ordered set of numbers called as digits. Now, the total number of digits is called as base. So, for suppose in decimal numbers, if we start from 0 to 9, so there are 10 digits. That's why the base of the decimal numbers is 10, and it is a standard system for denoting all the integers and non-integers numbers. Why do we say standard? Because, for example, whenever we are talking about simple things like weight, length, mass, so we need. Now all the number systems are based on the ordered set of numbers called as digits. That means, suppose if I am talking about decimal numbers, now the decimal numbers have the digits from 0 to 9. Therefore, there are 10 digits. That's why the base of the decimal number is 10. Then it is a standard system. That means we can use it almost everywhere. That is weight, length and money and temperature and almost everything. So the decimal system, because of this, is called as the most precise way than the whole numbers can provide. For example, we have 2741.123. Thus, we have varied examples in decimal numbers. Moving on to the next topic, that is the binary numbers. Now, binary number has base as 2 because the number of digits involved here is 0 and 1. That means the computer uses just 0 and 1 to translate, to convert the whole data, and that is what we call as data encoding. So binary is found in computer technology. It is used by the programmers for data encoding, and it takes the information in the discrete bits. Then these discrete bits consist of zeros and ones of the binary system. So first, the base of octal numbers is 8. That is, it starts from 0 to 7. That is 8 digits. That's why we call it as base 8. Then it was widely used in IT industry as hexadecimal is used today. Now you must be wondering, why don't we use it now? Because the use of octal numbers has declined, as most of modern computers no longer base their word length on the multiples of 3 bits, whereas the hexadecimal uses it on the 4 bits, and so that is more widely used. Then, for example, we have 23228. That means whenever we write 8 at the subscript, that means we are talking about the base is 8 and the number denotes an octal number. Beginning to the last topic of this slide, that is hexadecimal number. Now hexadecimal numbers have the base 16. That means it uses 16 digits. Now how 16 digits? Let us study that. So it has an alphanumeric combination starting from 0 to 9 and A to F. That means it comprises of first 0 to 9. Then after 9 we use A as 10, B as 11, C as 12 and so on till F as 15. Then hexadecimal numbering system is often used by programmers to simplify the binary numbering system. It is used in the programming language and in microprocessors. The example D5CF, we will be learning in the next videos how to convert from binary to decimal, from decimal to hexadecimal and so on. So stay connected, stay tuned.